Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Brihaspati Be the Best Version of Yourself. I'm Sneha Pranav. Today I come up with a beautiful topic, self-sabotage. Before that, I would like to request you all, if anybody is not subscribed to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Brihaspati. Be the best version of yourself and hit the bell icon which is just next to the subscribe button wherein you will get the updates then and there and none of the videos get missed out. So, welcome back to our YouTube channel where we delve into intricate realms of human mind. Today, we are going to talk about self sabotage. Today, we are exploring a topic that resonates with many of us, self sabotage. Often, we found ourselves holding back our potential, undermining or underdetermining. We can do like undermining, we can our efforts, like whether and creating obstacles in our path without even we are realizing it. So understanding the composition and the concept of self sabotage is essential to unlock personal growth and achieving our fullest potential. So having said that, today we are going to talk about the most interesting topic, which is self sabotage. So what is self sabotage? As its core, self sabotage encompasses behavior and thoughts that undermine our own success and well being. This concept can manifest in various forms like procrastination. Procrastination is a beautiful topic we can talk in upcoming videos about procrastination, negative talks, perfectionism, and how we can come out of it. Okay, so today come back. This concept can, like self sabotage, can manifest in various forms like procrastination, negative self talk, perfectionism, and an array of failure or even the success. These actions create a paradox where we hinder ourselves without even knowing, and we hinder our own growth while aiming for achievement. Consider this: you have set a goal. Perhaps it is a loss of weight, start a new business, or finally write that novel you have been dreaming about. But as the days roll on, you will find yourself distracted, engaged in unproductive habits, or even questioning your own worth. What am I traveling in a right path? Can I do it? Whether I am capable of doing it. So those kind of thing, you get distracted. You're not alone. Many individuals encounter this internal struggle, often trapped in a cycle of ambition and a paralyzing fear of inadequacy, or we can say like a consistency. This consistency we can talk in the upcoming videos. Always we can need we always need that consistency whatever we do irrespective of anything. To effectively combine self sabotage, we must first examine its root causes. What is stopping you, what kind of questions you are arising yourself. Understanding these underlying factors can reveal why we act against our own interest. One prominent root cause is fear of failure, fear of rejection, and even fear of success. When we contemplate exceeding our own expectations, and instinctual reaction can kick in, leading us to inadvertently, I can say, or we can say like inadvertently steer on ourselves, of course. For example, additionally, past experiences of us significantly shape our present behavior. Traumas or failures can create mental blocks that signal up to play it safe. And too much of thinking is also leads to like overreacting, overthinking, and that topic we can discuss in upcoming videos. So it leads to overreacting and overthinking also. So for example, if you say like perpetuating a cycle where we remain stagnant rather than pursuing our aspiration is bad, right? So lastly, perfectionism plays a critical role. The belief that we must uh, achieve an unattainable standards can lead to paralyzing yourself. That self doubt we can talk about in upcoming videos. Self doubt causing many to avoid task altogether rather than facing the risk of not being perfect. See, understand one thing, Great Wall of China or the greater things, nothing has done in a single night or in a single day. So the self doubt is needed, the failures also needed. That you keep on doing the same thing. You try once you fail, twice you fail, the third time you will succeed in your life. So, having said that, the self doubt causing many to avoid tasks altogether rather than face the risk of not being perfect. Identifying these root causes is the first step towards understanding and ultimately dismantling the pattern of self sabotage. So, it will help you so much. So, now that we have identified what is self sabotage, is and its root causes, can how we can recognize these behaviors in ourselves. Awareness is always a key. So you self awareness is more important. Self awareness we can talk in upcoming videos. Start by observing your thoughts, quality of thoughts. Are they predominantly negative? Do you find yourself frequently engaging in what if scenarios that foster anxiety rather than motivation? Often these thoughts manifest impulse decisions or procrastinations. Another sign of self sabotage is tendency to isolate oneself when faced when you face challenges. Do you restart, or do you recreate, or do you retreat from friends and family? What do you do exactly? Think about it. Further complicating the situation is not a right thing. Okay, it's okay to be get failed. Additionally, it's a vital pay of attention. That is something like vital. Pay attention to your emotional reactions. Feeling of anxiety, shame, or guilt can be an indicator that you are stepping into a self sabotage territory. By turning into these warning signs, we empower ourselves to make conscious choices, breaking free from the cycles that have constrained us for such a long time. So, uh, overcoming self sabotage is not an overnight treat or overnight thing that you can do. It's a marathon. No, it's not a spirit. Start with a self comparison or a self compassion, not self comparison. Self comparison is not with others. You just think how I was yesterday, how I am today. So that self comparison and self compassion we can talk in upcoming videos. It's the most beautiful topic. We can talk about that. Treat yourself with the kindness and understanding you would offer a friend. Acknowledge that everyone experiences setbacks and that growth often come from overcoming adversity. Next, establish clear realistic goals. Breaking down larger objectives into manageable steps can achievable the overwhelming pressure that often leads to self-sabotage. Remember to celebrate small wins. Acknowledging progress fuels motivations. Always it fuels motivations. Additionally, practice mindfulness. Engaging in meditations or journalizing or reading books can help clear mental clutter and mental declutter, I could say clearly, and foster a more positive narrative, positivity and optimism in your mind. Exploring the why behind your behavior can give you insight that lead to transformative changes. Lastly, consider seeking professional help. Therapist, maybe like a life coach or therapist, and life coaches can offer tools and strategies tailored to your unique circumstances, guiding you through the process of self discovery and self improvement. These topics also we can talk in upcoming videos. So now, as in to conclude, to conclude this self sabotage, we are going to talk about a few things which are highlighted. Like self sabotage may feel like it's like a mountable obstacle which cannot be moved at times. But remember, understanding is the first step to overcome it. By identifying the root causes, recognizing harmful patterns that you follow in your life, and actively working towards change, you can dismantle the barrier holding you back Thank you so much for joining Brihaspati. Be the best version of yourself. And thank you for joining me today. If you found value in this exploration, please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing your thoughts in the comment below. And subscribe the hit button. Together, let us take the meaningful strides towards more fulfilled life. I hope this video was happy, made you happy and realistic, and you understood what is self sabotage. If anybody is not subscribed to my channel, please do like, share, and hit the bell icon. This is Brihaspati here. I'm Sneha Pranav, and have a good rest of your day. Stay safe and be safe. Thank you.